Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Are you looking for a beautiful addition to your book collection? I think you'll like this one.
So Anne of Green Gables is a cherished favorite of mine growing up. This novel is by L.M. Montgomery, and it's also published by Puffin Books and beautifully illustrated by Anna Bond, who's also the artist from Paper Rifle Company. The inside cover is beautifully illustrated by the characters of the book, and it also has somewhere to write your name on so you can permanently claim this book as your very own. The illustrations and colors picked for this front cover of the book is just absolutely beautiful. It's stunning. It's so aesthetically pleasing to the eye, and honestly, it would make such a great addition to your classic novel collection. Don't you agree?
I think you're going to love this edition of Anne of Green Gables, and that's just my point of view.